Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 24th through December 6th. November 24th to 28th, models and ensembles are in good agreement on the flow. We're forecasting here a ridge of evolutions in the Bering Sea. We have a trough here from Alaska in the Northeast Pacific. We have a ridge in the west. We also have a large area of positive height anomalies over the Bering Strait. Not the Bering Strait, the Davis Strait, and also Greenland. We have a trough in the east. So as we go through the models, you see there's very little change. And we come to the end of the period, go to the 28th, and you can see that the pattern is pretty stable. During this time, heavy rain is forecast over Florida, the Northwest into the Rockies. Snow will be likely in the higher elevations. The system off the East Coast may cause some light to moderate rain for the Carolinas. It depends how close it comes to the coast. And a Clipper system will cause snow for the Great Lakes in the Midwest Friday and Saturday. And temperatures are forecast for the Intermountain West and into the plains will be above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for areas east of the Mississippi River. November 27th to December 1st. So here we're at the 28th. The operational models are in good agreement. As we go through here, you can see this. Here's the deterministics. And here is the NAEFS. Now, the other models, like the GEFS and the European ensembles, let me see if I can get right here, are forecasting more of a flatter flow. You see right here, this is the European, more of a flatter flow, but we still have positive height anomalies across much of the northern high latitudes. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures from the plains of the Mississippi Valley to the Pacific coast. We're in forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more above normal. You can see we have anomalies as high as 18 degrees, mostly across the southwest. And below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation across this area here with the probability of over 50%. And we have below normal precipitation across this area here, but across this area here will be above 50% of occurrence of above normal precipitation. And the area in the lighter brown has a 30% chance of seeing below normal precipitation. December 2nd to the 6th. Here we're at the 2nd. The flow is forecast to de-amplify as it comes through here. See how it de-amplifies? We still have our positive height anomalies here and a little bit here. We have a trough here that starts approaching the west. But this is GFS, more like a zonal flow with above normal heights across much of the nation, much of North America actually, as we go through the period C. And we come to the 6th. Don't see much of a change. Then we look at the rest of the models. Show a little bit of a trough here. This is the European ensembles, and then we look at the NAEFS. So near above normal heights across much of the nation, or much of North America for that matter. So you can guess what the temperature forecast is going to be. We are forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. A large area with anomalies of 46 degrees above normal. I think here it would be a little tough to get above normal, but forecasting this of anomalies of 46 degrees are forecast. And for precipitation, a rather dry period, we have above normal precipitation for the plains of the Pacific coast with a probability of 30% chance. And we have below normal precipitation here. Of course, this area here would be 50% or greater, and the areas again in lighter brown will have 30% chance of below normal precipitation. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 24th through December 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Lumley's World of Weather, and have a good day.